Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Syed Nur Robbie and I'm gonna explain about my chess assignment KFP1171. I'm year one, semester two, and I'm in foundation in mechanical engineering. So firstly, I'm gonna introduce myself. So I guess I'm gonna start with my results. So I guess I have good results in SPM. Uh, I'm gonna start about chess. I guess so. Chess is basically what my family usually plays. So my brother play chess, my dad plays chess. So basically, my whole family plays chess. So I guess I got into it a lot from my family. Uh, my understanding, I would say I'm really good in chess. I would say I understand most of the moves and techniques, but I would say that I'm the best. I would say a lot of people are better than me, but uh, I would say I can play most situations decently, but then again, I haven't really joined any chess competitions. So why I'm taking chess club? So I guess it's easy and enjoyable, and I would say I could learn a lot from chess, and could get some techniques. So let's go on to time control. So there's three time controls that I'm going to discuss, which is standard, rapid, and blitz. So standard is basically like you play it with a long time. So basically it's like 90 minutes for the first move. So basically, and each move you get like 30 more seconds. So basically it takes a long time and you can think most of the time about what moves you want to do compared to rapid and blitz. Where rapid you have like 10 minutes or like a bit more, and then you move around then less than 60 minutes. So you have to move quite fast, but not the fastest compared to Blitz, where you have like 1 or 2 minutes and you have to move really fast. And usually you would do mistakes. Blitz is where it promotes you to do mistakes. So it's kind of hard. So basically, I think standards is the easiest one because you can think which moves is the best. So now about touch move rule. So basically touch move rule is a way to make you avoid taking back moves. So basically each move you have to use one hand. So basically if you hold it with right hand, only one hand can use it. Like imagine castling, you can't hold the king and the castle at the same time. So you have to use one hand to castle. So basically, and then you have to use your uh, piece that you touch first to move. So basically, you can't touch like the bishop and then you touch the king to move. No. So if you touch the bishop, you have to move the bishop unless the king is in check, or you have to move some pieces. So basically makes you move the first piece you move, and it's if it's unless it's accidental, but usually it's you have to move the first time you touch it. So now the next rule is checkmate and stalemate. So basically, checkmate and stalemate is a way of ending the game. So checkmate is basically one of you win, and then stalemate is basically a draw. So checkmate is basically when the king uh, is in check, and you can't move any pieces that can block or prevent the check. So basically, once your king is in check, and then you can't move your pieces to block the path of the piece that is checking the king. So basically, or the king can't move anywhere where it isn't checked. So basically, it's in checkmate. So basically, you can see on the top, bottom left, you can see the queen is checking the king, and then the king can't move to the right, to the left, or anywhere else, and anything can't take the queen. So basically, that's the checkmate. So you can also see from the top left, it's also a checkmate. So from the right one is a stalemate where the king can't move, but it isn't in check. So basically, compared to checkmate, it is in check, but the right one in stalemate, the king isn't in check. So basically, the king can't move to any spaces from the right one. You can see the king can't move right, left, or diagonally left or right because the spaces are being taken by the pawns, and the king can't take the pawn because the bishop is taking up the space. So basically, it's in stalemate. So it's a draw and it's one half and half. So you guys share half points lah. So now this is basically my 10 games I played. I played it on the same day. It doesn't really matter. But then again, I played like 10 games. I won like 5, drew once, and lost like 4 times, I think. So you can see how the movements are. So basically, that's it lah for me. Thank you.